Unlock ageless strength. Safe muscle building for seniors. Want to stay strong and independent? Discover the power of strength training, specially designed for seniors. Embrace a lifestyle that enhances your physical capabilities, allowing you to enjoy daily activities with ease. Our guide introduces simple exercises that build muscle and confidence, ensuring you face each day with vitality and independence. Welcome to our guide on building muscles safely as a senior. We understand the importance of maintaining strength and mobility as you age. Our carefully curated tips and exercises focus on safety and effectiveness, ensuring you can enjoy the benefits of strength training without the risk of injury. Strength training is crucial for seniors to maintain a healthy, active lifestyle. It not only helps preserve muscle mass, but also enhances joint flexibility and bone density. By incorporating strength exercises into your routine, you can reduce the risk of falls and improve your overall quality of life. Explore the numerous benefits of strength training, including improved balance, increased energy, and better posture. Regular exercise can boost your mood and cognitive function, keeping your mind sharp. By committing to a strength training regimen, you're investing in a healthier and more fulfilling life. Before starting any exercise program, prioritize safety. Begin with a thorough warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints. Use proper equipment and techniques to prevent injuries. Listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if needed, ensuring that your strength training journey is both safe and rewarding. When it comes to strength training at home, simplicity is key. You don't need a gym full of equipment to build strength. A sturdy chair, light dumbbells, and resistance bands are excellent tools. These items are affordable, easy to store, and versatile for a variety of exercises. A proper warm-up routine is essential before diving into any workout. Gentle movements like marching in place or arm circles increase blood flow, preparing your muscles and joints for the exercises ahead. Spend 5 to 10 minutes warming up to reduce the risk of injury and enhance performance. For beginners, starting with easy exercises is crucial to building confidence and strength. Focus on movements that target major muscle groups without causing strain. Exercises like seated leg lifts, wall push-ups, and chair squats are perfect for gradually increasing your strength and endurance safely. Chair squats are an excellent way to strengthen your legs and improve balance. Stand in front of a chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if sitting down, then stand back up. Ensure your knees don't extend beyond your toes for proper form and safety. Wall push-ups are ideal for building upper body strength without straining your joints. Stand an arm's length away from a wall, place your hands shoulder-width apart, and lean forward. Push against the wall and return to the starting position. This exercise effectively targets your chest, shoulders, and arms. Strengthening your legs can be simple and effective with seated leg lifts. This exercise helps improve leg strength and mobility without the need to stand, making it ideal for seniors. By regularly practicing seated leg lifts, you can increase your ability to perform daily activities with greater ease and confidence. Light dumbbells are an excellent tool for enhancing arm strength. They offer a range of motion that can be easily controlled, allowing for gradual strength building. Start with a weight that feels comfortable and gradually increase it as you feel stronger. Consistency is key to seeing results over time. Resistance bands are versatile and add intensity to your workouts. They are portable, easy to use, and provide varying levels of resistance. Incorporating resistance bands into your routine can help target multiple muscle groups, enhancing overall strength and flexibility while being gentle on the joints. Building a strong core is essential for overall stability and balance. Simple exercises like seated marches and gentle twists can effectively engage your core muscles. A strong core supports better posture, reduces the risk of falls, and improves your ability to perform other exercises with greater efficiency. Balance exercises are crucial for maintaining stability and preventing falls. Incorporating activities such as standing on one foot or walking heel to toe can significantly enhance your balance. These exercises are simple yet effective, helping you navigate daily tasks more safely and confidently as you strengthen your body's ability to stay steady. Proper breathing during exercise enhances performance and safety. Inhale deeply through the nose before exertion and exhale through the mouth during effort. This technique supplies muscles with oxygen, reduces fatigue, and stabilizes core movements, ensuring that each exercise is executed with maximum efficiency and minimal risk. A cool-down routine gradually lowers heart rate and relaxes muscles, preventing stiffness. Gentle stretching and deep breathing help transition the body from activity to rest. This practice aids in reducing muscle soreness and promotes flexibility, preparing your body for future workouts by enhancing recovery and relaxation. Consistency and training frequency is key for optimal results. Seniors should aim for strength exercises 2 to 3 times weekly, allowing muscles to adapt and strengthen. This balance promotes muscle growth, enhances endurance, and ensures safety by preventing overtraining, which can lead to injuries or burnout. Progress safely by gradually increasing intensity. As your strength and confidence grow, introduce slight increases in weights or repetitions. This method challenges muscles without overwhelming them, fostering steady improvement. Slow and steady progression minimizes injury risk, ensuring a sustainable and rewarding strength training journey. Rest days are as vital as workout days. They allow muscles to repair and grow, preventing fatigue and overuse injuries. Adequate rest supports recovery and mental rejuvenation, ensuring each workout remains effective and enjoyable. Listening to your body's need for downtime is crucial for long-term success. Staying hydrated is essential for seniors engaging in strength training. Water supports muscle function and aids in recovery, ensuring workouts are effective and safe. Seniors should drink water before, during, and after exercise to prevent dehydration, which can lead to fatigue, dizziness, or even injury during physical activity. A balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates is vital for muscle growth and recovery. Seniors should focus on nutrient-dense foods like lean meats, fish, vegetables, and whole grains. Proper nutrition fuels workouts and supports overall health, enhancing the benefits of strength training. Common mistakes in senior strength training include overexertion and improper form. It's important to start with manageable weights and prioritize technique. Listening to the body's signals and stopping at any sign of discomfort can prevent injuries, ensuring a safe and productive fitness journey. Listening to your body is crucial. Seniors should be vigilant about unusual pain or fatigue during workouts. Taking breaks or modifying exercises when necessary helps maintain safety and prevent setbacks. Being attuned to your body's needs allows for a more sustainable and enjoyable strength training routine. Hiring a personal trainer can be beneficial for personalized guidance and motivation. Trainers help tailor exercises to individual needs and monitor progress, ensuring exercises are performed safely and effectively. This professional support can boost confidence and help seniors achieve their fitness goals with greater ease. Joining group classes provides a sense of community and motivation for seniors embarking on their strength training journey. Exercising with others fosters camaraderie, accountability, and support. Instructors guide participants through routines tailored for safety and effectiveness, ensuring everyone progresses together while enjoying the shared experience of improving health and vitality. Online resources offer seniors the flexibility to access guided workouts from home, making fitness more accessible. These resources include video tutorials, virtual classes, and fitness apps, providing diverse options to suit individual preferences. Seniors can follow along at their own pace, benefiting from expert guidance without needing to travel. Inspirational stories of seniors who thrive with strength training serve as powerful motivation for others. These success stories highlight personal achievements, from increased mobility to enhanced quality of life. They demonstrate that it's never too late to start, encouraging others to overcome doubts and pursue their own fitness goals. Overcoming common obstacles in strength training requires creativity and determination. Seniors can adapt exercises to accommodate physical limitations, ensuring a safe workout experience. Seeking advice from professionals, setting realistic goals, and maintaining a positive mindset are essential strategies for navigating challenges and continuing to progress on their fitness journey. Staying motivated is crucial for maintaining a consistent strength training routine. Seniors can set small, achievable goals, celebrate each milestone, and keep a workout journal to track progress. Finding a workout buddy or joining a supportive community can also provide encouragement, making the journey more enjoyable and rewarding. Strength training offers profound benefits for mental health, helping seniors alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. The routine and physical exertion release endorphins, uplifting mood and promoting a sense of well-being. This physical activity also enhances cognitive function, offering a natural and empowering way to maintain mental sharpness. Adapting exercises to accommodate existing health conditions is essential for safety and effectiveness. Seniors should consult healthcare professionals to tailor workouts to their needs. Modifications ensure that strength-building activities are accessible and beneficial, reducing the risk of injury while promoting physical health despite any limitations. A strong support system plays a critical role in maintaining motivation and consistency in a fitness journey. Whether it's family, friends, or a community group, having people who encourage and share in the journey provides accountability, enhances enjoyment, and fosters a sense of belonging and shared achievement. Consistency is key in achieving long-term fitness goals. By adhering to a regular routine, seniors can experience gradual improvements in strength and endurance. This dedication helps solidify new habits, making exercise a natural part of daily life and ensuring continuous progress in physical and mental well-being. Setting achievable goals provides direction and motivation in a strength training journey. Clear, realistic objectives help seniors focus their efforts and celebrate progress, fostering a sense of accomplishment. Goals can be adjusted as fitness levels improve, ensuring ongoing challenges and sustained engagement in the pursuit of wellness. Tracking your progress is essential as it allows you to see how far you've come and what areas need improvement. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, to boost your confidence and keep you motivated. Document your achievements to remind yourself of your strength and dedication. An inspiring quote can be the perfect motivation to keep pushing forward. Reflect on powerful words that resonate with you and serve as a reminder of your goals. Let these words inspire you to continue your journey with enthusiasm and determination, knowing that every effort brings you closer to success. In today's session, we explored the importance of setting achievable goals and tracking your progress. Celebrating milestones and drawing inspiration from motivating quotes can enhance your journey. These strategies will support your commitment to strength training and help you maintain a positive mindset throughout your fitness journey. Embark on your strength training journey today. Embrace the challenge with confidence and determination. Remember, each step you take brings you closer to a healthier, stronger version of yourself. You've got this, and with consistent effort, you'll achieve your fitness goals and enjoy the countless benefits of strength training. Thank you for being a part of our strength training guide. We hope these tips and insights have been valuable to you. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and resources that will support you in living a strong, vibrant, and independent life.